possible?
Don't worry. I'm sure it's just your imagination.
I don't suppose...
Ow! Stop it!
You little liar.
You didn't believe her either.
Apologise to Lucy. Say you're sorry.
All right. I'm sorry.
That's all right. Some little children just don't know when to stop pretending.
Very funny. Maybe we should go back. Shouldn't we at least take a look around?
I think Lucy should decide.
I'd like you all to meet Mr. Thomas.
But we can't go hiking in the snow, dressed like this.
No. But I'm sure the professor wouldn't mind us using these. Anyway, if you think about it logically, we're not even taking them out of the wardrobe.
But that's a girl's coat.
I know.
Who would do something like this?
Fawn Tumnus is hereby charged with high treason against Her Imperial Majesty, Jadis, Queen of Narnia, for comforting her enemies and fraternising with humans. So long live the Queen.
All right. Now we really should go back.
But what about Mr. Thomas?
If he was arrested just for being with a human, I don't think there's much we can do.
You don't understand, do you? I'm the human. She must have found out he helped me.
Maybe we could call the police.
These are the police.
Don't worry, Lou. We'll think of something.
Why?
I mean, he's a criminal.
I ain't gonna smell it if that's what you want.
Oh. Sorry.
Lucy Pevensey.
Yes? Hey, that's the hanky I gave to Mr. Thomas.
Thomas.
Is he all right?